Oh, that was so sweet. Ba yan? Grabe, no? Alam mo yung kiss nila, yung kiss na hindi libog.
Kiss na mahal.
Yes, tsaka yung kiss na parang, ang tagal ko tong inintay.